Hi, it's nice to see you here. In this short tutorial, I will tell you briefly why you should use the calendar and how you can integrate it with your Traffit account. Are you ready for it? Okay, so at first, you have to go to My Profile section. And here you have to choose the Calendars tab. Okay, so here you've got a simple explanation, like how you can benefit from integrating the calendar. So what you get when you integrate the calendar with your Traffit account. The first thing is you can link your calendar events with the candidates from your talent pool and recruitments. What's next? You can enable the scheduler, our new feature that can help you automate scheduling of the recruitment meetings. And the last thing is the convenient access and creation to all planned meetings without leaving Traffit. So, how to add the calendar? Let's click on the blue button and you've got a pop-up here. The first calendar we will add is the Traffit calendar, the last one on the list of the types of calendars. Now click Next, name it, and give it a color. Okay, so that's all. Your Traffit calendar is now working and you can add the events and plan your meetings inside our tool. But if you'd like to connect it with any of your existing calendars that are connected also with your work, you can choose the Exchange calendar or Google Calendar. The Exchange calendar is basically the calendar you've got with Microsoft Office. So let's try it. Click Next. The Traffit will redirect you to the Microsoft account settings where you can integrate it with our tool. So just click Yes. And let's go back to the Traffit. That's all. You can rename it and change the color of the calendar that will appear in the right section. So it's like Outlook calendar. And let's hit save. Right now we've got two calendars integrated. So let's go with the third one. So it's the Google Calendar. Click Next. And as you see, you're getting redirect to the Google account website. Here you have to log in to your account or just choose the account that you are logged already and give the permission for the integration. And we're getting back into Traffit. And we're back. We can also rename it as we want to. And change the color, click Save. And basically, that's all. But I will show you also how to use the calendar in the calendar section. So let's go here and just click Add Event. You can name it, set the event beginning time and date. That's it. And when the event is finished, let's just go here. Okay. You can also put in here the location. If we are using the Google Calendar, you can also add the Google Meet link. This option will be available for you. You can put the description in here and what's the most important thing for you and what's the most important thing when you are integrating Traffit with your calendar, with your work calendar, you can connect it with the jobs. So let's just use the customer success specialist job. You can invite users and hiring managers. Let's just use this one. And you can invite the candidates. Let's just get this one, test candidate we've got. And that's all. The info about the event will also appear in the candidate's profile section. So you can check if you've got the event running with him or not. Or you can check also all of the past events that you've got with him. So thanks for your time and good luck with using Traffit in your future recruitments. Bye.